Welcome to AI Made Simple, your friendly guide designed specifically for adults aged 50 and above who are new to this exciting technology, helping you understand and use artificial intelligence with ease and confidence. Today, we'll demystify how to talk to any AI tool, such as ChatGPT launched by OpenAI on November 30th, 2022, Claude developed by Anthropic in March 2023, Microsoft Copilot integrated into Bing since 2023, or Google Gemini from December 2023, to get the helpful, accurate answers you truly need. These AI chatbots, also known as large language models or LLMs, understand and generate human-like text based on your inputs, which we call prompts, powering over 180 million weekly active users for ChatGPT alone as of 2024. Since ChatGPT launched in late 2022, these tools have exploded in popularity, reaching 1.8 billion visits per month globally by mid-2024 according to SimilarWeb data, making them accessible tools for everyday use. The great news is, you don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge to use AI effectively, just your everyday conversation abilities, which 90% of users rely on successfully according to Anthropic data, are all you need. AI works by predicting the next word in a sequence, trained on trillions of words from the internet up to around 2023, like GPT-4's vast dataset, making it incredibly powerful for generating relevant responses. Good prompts lead to useful and accurate responses, while vague ones often result in generic or even incorrect answers. But with our simple steps, you can avoid those pitfalls easily. Our goal today is to teach you simple steps to craft prompts for real-life uses, like emailing family, where 75% of seniors use it daily per Pew Research 2023, planning trips with 2 to 3 travels per year for those 50+, or finding recipes and hobbies. This skill of writing clear instructions for AI is called prompt engineering, and it's easier than it sounds, requiring no special training, just clear, everyday language. Key principles include being specific with details like who, what, when, providing context or background, asking for a certain format such as lists or steps, and even telling the AI to act as a specific role like a friendly expert. Studies from OpenAI benchmarks in 2023 show that well-engineered prompts can improve AI accuracy by 30 to 50%, making your interactions much more effective and reliable every time. And remember, no coding is required. 90% of users succeed just by using natural language, as confirmed by Anthropic user data, so you can start right away. Let's dive into our simple, step-by-step tutorial to master prompt writing, perfect for beginners aged 50 and above. Our first step is to simply say what you want clearly, starting with a strong action verb to guide the AI precisely. Start with an action verb to tell the AI exactly what you'd like it to do, making your request direct and actionable from the beginning. For example, instead of just email, try write an email to my granddaughter inviting her to Thanksgiving dinner on November 28th, which gives the AI a clear starting point. Or, for a trip relevant to seniors, plan a 7-day trip to Florida for 2 seniors in January, budget $3,000 total, including flights from Chicago and accessible hotels, ensuring a practical plan. This level of detail helps the AI provide a much more useful and tailored itinerary, far better than a vague list of generic suggestions. Our second step is to add a little detail to your request, building on the clear action for even better results. Include numbers like quantities or times, preferences such as easy or beginner-friendly, and specific requirements to guide the AI towards your exact needs. Instead of just recipe, try write a simple recipe for coconut cake for 8 people, using basic ingredients only, under 1 hour prep time, with step-by-step instructions and tips for beginners just like you. Numerical specifics are crucial. Recipes often fail without them, as 40% of prompt tests demonstrate, leading to frustrating mismatches. For gardening, a common hobby, you could ask, explain how to prune rose bushes in Zone 6B for a 10 by 10-foot garden space, avoiding common diseases, tailored for home growers. Our third and final step is to ask for the style you like, personalizing the output to match your preferences perfectly. Specify the tone like friendly or encouraging, links such as short summary, or even ask the AI to roleplay as a specific expert for you. Instead of tell me about history, try summarize World War II key events in 5 bullet points, using simple language for my book club, with an encouraging tone to keep it engaging. Or act as a friendly travel agent. Suggest 3 easy hikes in Yellowstone for 60-year-olds, under 2 miles each, with safety tips included. This improves relevance by 60%, according to promptingguide.ai tests, ensuring outputs that feel custom-made for you. Now for some advanced beginner tips. If the output isn't quite right, simply reply, make it shorter, or add prices, and watch it improve instantly. You can also chain prompts by asking follow-up questions to refine the AI's response further, like building a conversation naturally. These steps work universally across different AI tools like ChatGPT with its free tier of 40 messages every 3 hours, Claude up to 10,000 tokens per day free, and Copilot unlimited in Edge browser. Just remember, avoid sharing sensitive personal information, as AI data training typically has a cutoff around 2023 to 2024, protecting your privacy effortlessly. Let's look at some real-life examples side by side to see the power of clear prompts in action for everyday scenarios. For a help tip suited to 50+, instead of health tip, ask list 5 daily exercises for knee arthritis, 10-minute routine, no equipment needed at home. For garden help, how to grow tomatoes from seed in pots, 5 steps only. For indoor balcony, yield estimate for 20 plants is much better than just garden help. To learn guitar as a beginner over 50, specify teach 3 easy chords for happy birthday, with finger positions diagrammed for beginners over 50. For an email, friendly thank you email to neighbor for cookies, mention their new puppy. Exactly 4 sentences is more effective than thank you note. Planning a trip? Budget itinerary for 4-day NYC trip, couple 55+. Focus on museums. Under $1,500 excluding flights beats a simple vacation every time. And for a hobby like knitting, ask for a pattern for simple scarf, using worsted yarn, 40-inch long, with beginner instructions and photos if possible. These 3 simple steps work on any AI system that has emerged since the 2022 boom, from ChatGPT to the latest models. You truly don't need to be technical to use AI. 70% of users over 50 report easier daily tasks thanks to these tools, according to AARP 2024 survey. So, try it now with free tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot, and see the difference immediately in your daily life. These steps will empower you to get the most out of any AI, making your life simpler, more efficient, and full of helpful discoveries. Remember, these steps work with ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, and more. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy AI tips every week.